and it's a vertical juicer, and it's different from a masticating juicer or a, what do they call them? What are the champion juicers called? Centrifugal. Yeah, centrifugal juicers. Yeah, which actually shred the produce. This works like a mortar and pestle. If you know what a mortar and pestle is, you have a bowl and then you have like a little stick where you grind. So it actually just squeezes out the juice. So that's what makes this juicer a little different.
Hey, Robert.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
We have a couple people videotaping here, so that's kind of cool. So anyways, it's like a two-step process though, and you can look it up on slowjuicer.com. They have a demo on there. And you also get a demo with a demo DVD when you actually buy the juicer. I got this from the Raw Food World, and I got 7% off because I get the Raw Food World newsletter. And they usually have like a coupon code there where you can get 7% off. This retails for about $358. So any choices for what you guys want to do first? Carrot, celery, ginger. What's the classic combo? Carrot, celery, ginger. What's that?
Well, I do,
Carrot, apple.
I do carrot, ginger, pear, and lemon.
Okay.
That's what I do.
Okay. Let's see. What about carrot, celery, beet? How's that sound?
That sounds good. But
Carrot.
actually, carrots and beets are both really sweet.
Okay.
So is carrot.
Okay.
Oh, you said apple.
You want to go ahead and give that a try? See how that goes?
Apple, beet,
Okay. So the best thing to do is to start out with produce that's not quite as fibrous first, and then end up with the most fibrous vegetables, like celery and kale. So anyways, you don't want to rush it, is the thing. You just want to let it drop. You don't want to ever use the tamper unless it gets stuck, okay? You can tell when the juicer stops juicing, that's when you want to drop more. You don't want like,
You don't have to push the plunger down on it?
no, it's going to be different than a champion juicer. Yeah, if you rush it, it probably won't be as efficient. You probably won't get as much
You
juice.
rush it, put heat in it. Yeah.
So all the pulp comes out on the right side.
I got a green side.
All the juice comes out on the left side.
Do you have to put the pulp back in to get more out? Get more juice out?
I don't think that's recommended.
I do that with my champion.
Yeah.
I do that with my,
Keep putting it in.
I do that with my green star.
Let's see what happens.
It would be really,
Let's try it out. Let's see what happens here.
wait for the other fresh stuff to stop.
Is it dry?
So we can see
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, that way we can gauge. But that way, I've never actually tried this, so let's go ahead and see what happens.
But how moist is that right now? Is that pretty dry or moist?
It's pretty dry. It makes a pretty dry pulp. Let's see what happens here.
Is that thing European or is it made in England?
Yeah, I think you maybe get a little bit more juice out of it. It's hard to say. This is French.
Is it made in France?
Well, that's the problem, these are American carrots.
Yeah, you don't get that much more juice. Maybe a tiny bit more.
Wow.
So you can see it
It's pretty
dribbling out.
dry pulp.
Yeah, it's pretty dry pulp. That's one thing you see in the demo video. They compare the pulp.